everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Zara. Today I'm taking you on a super special journey, a day in the life at school. Every morning, the sound of my alarm wakes me up. I get out of bed and head to the bathroom to wash my face and brush my teeth. I get dressed and head downstairs for breakfast. The smell of breakfast fills the air. My mom has made scrambled eggs and toast today, and I eat with my family while we chat about our plans. After packing my school bag, I walk to the bus stop. The fresh morning breeze makes the walk so refreshing. My friends are already there, and we laugh and talk until the bus arrives. When I arrive at school, the hallways are buzzing with students talking and teachers greeting us. First, we have English class. I love learning new words and practice speaking. After English, it's time for science. We're doing a fun experiment with colors and light. It feels like magic watching it happen. After science class, we have a short break. Then it's time for math class. It can be tricky, but I'm getting better at it. Lunchtime is my favorite. I get to eat with my friends in the cafeteria. I have a sandwich, some fruit. Sometimes we share snacks too, and it's always funny when someone brings something extra yummy. After lunch, we have more classes like history and computer. When the final bell rings, I pack up my things and say goodbye to my friends and head to the bus stop. Once I'm home, I do my homework, and then I get to relax. I might read a book, play a game, or just hang out with my family. After dinner, as the day winds down, I feel tired but happy. I know tomorrow is another chance to learn, laugh, and make memories, and I can't wait to see what it brings. Now it's time to learn some vocabulary. One bus stop, a place where people wait for the bus. 2 hallways, a passageway or room between the entrance and the interior of a building. 3 cafeteria, a place in school where students eat lunch. 4 homework, schoolwork assigned to be done at home. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more lessons.